Hello viewers, welcome again. How are you? Yes, I'm also fine. Today I will discuss how can you convert this image into an epic looking image. For this, I have taken three pictures you can see here. Today we will use all these three images to create a fantastic looking image. Make a promise to me that you would watch this video completely. Do you make this promise to me? Okay, let's start. Firstly, I will go to magnetic lasso tool and select the subject since we want only the couples and not the background. Now move this image to our new background. Transform it to the size which suits according to the background. This is looking fine, what you say? I want to show you some interesting thing. See, I have bought here full moon and then adjust the blending mode and see what magic happens with the picture. This is not my motto. I just only want to show you this. Now I would take only moon to adjust behind the mountains. Don't worry if you make even wrong selection. We will use some blending options to correct it later. I think moon is in its perfect position. Now select a suitable blending option. Now to match our couple with the background color, we must use color balance option. I think there is synchronization between the image and the background. Now I would like to open curves to adjust some of its blacks, whites and contrast. I think you are enjoying the background music. I would also like to adjust some gamma correction for this image. Now, without shadow, our image will look very unreal since there is moonlight all around and moon is also behind, so our shadow will be in the front. Shadow is giving our image more depth and reality. Then I would take eraser to remove the brush extra stroke. Now our image is made now. Have a look. Is it looking interesting or not? Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.